Okay, we got a couple more things to worry about. This is one of them. It's in your text, so if you want to go to your text, you're going to find end area method, and it is on 8, 19, 8, 18, 8, 18, 9, 18, 10. Okay, 18-8, 9, and 10. So this is the problem in your book. So let me explain the concept, and I'm going to show you a problem that you're going to see on the test, okay? Okay, the concept is that you have an end area at each side. And if you average those end areas, that's why they call it the average end area method. If you average those, you get an average cut or fill. You multiply it over the distance between, you end up with a volume. So I'll tell you an underlying concept that you have to keep aware of. In this method, it's assumed that there's a straight linear line from one end to another. So if you look at the one end and you look at the other end, they connect like that. They don't connect like this. Okay? So it's linear. It means that the line gradient is constant. So if you have that, you're all set. Simple process. Average the ends, multiply by the length. So here, the volume of this happens to be cut. I'm digging into the ground. Is take the average 153 square feet, 250 square feet, average the two. That gives you the average of the end areas, and multiply it by the distance it covers. Station 20 plus 0, 0 to 21 is 100 feet. So that's it. That's all there is to it. So I'll take 153 plus 250, divide it by 2, multiply by 100, 20,150 cubic feet. If I want that in cubic yards, of course, there's 27 cubic foot in a cubic yard, so I divide it by 27. And I get 746.3. And if you look at your book, hopefully that's what they got, and that is exactly what they got. So all you do is go in between stations. So my problem over there is going to take this one step further. I'm going to take this and do it over and over and over and over again. Okay? Exact same thing, just do it over and over again. So on this problem, let's look at it. I've got cut. Now you pick. If you want cut to be positive, make it positive. If you want cut to be negative, make it negative. Just make sure you keep it the same. So cut is positive in my world. Cut is going to be positive in my world. Fill is going to be negative. So I'm going to make this a positive number. Okay? Just do it. Same thing. Average the end areas, multiply by the distance between. So if I was doing this for that first one, it would be 200 positive plus 160 divided by 2 times 1,300 to 1,350 is 50 feet. The next one, 160 plus 40 divided by 2, and from 12 to 13 is 100 feet. Next one, 40 minus 20 divided by 2 times 50. Takes care of this one. Next one, minus 20 minus 80. Divided by 2, 50 feet. And the last one, minus 80 minus 200 divided by 2, 100 feet. Do the math. Okay, you take the 200 and add it to the 160. 200 plus 160. Divide that by 2. Multiply it by 50. Plus 9,000. 160 plus 40 divided by 2 times 100. 10,000. 40 minus 20 divided by 2 times 50. 500. Minus 80. Minus 20 minus 80. Divided by 2 times 50. Minus 80. Minus 200 divided by 2 times 100. Add up the string. 9 plus 10 plus 500 minus 2,500 minus 14,000. 3,000. (3,000 cubic feet). The question says, is it volume in cubic yards, and is it a cut or a fill? My answer came out positive. For me, positive is cut. So it's going to be a cut. And it's 3,000 divided by 27. 111 cubic yards of cut. So if I got 111 cubic yards, okay? You got dump trucks you need to bring in. How many of those, if you had a 12-yard truck? 10 to 12 is pretty common. Let's say it's an 11-yard truck to make life easy, okay? If you had a trucks that carry 11 cubic yards at a shot, looks like you need about 10 loads to take care of. And that's how you do it. So end area. Take the ends, the areas at the end, add them together, divide by 2 to get the average, multiply by the distance between. And that should take care of it. Okay? I've got one more thing we're going to deal with, and we're going to shut down for 1 second while why don't you shut us down for a second while I restage. It's not going to take us but a few minutes.